Well, good morning, everyone. Is everyone excited? Is everyone warm? It's cold in New York. So my name is David Wicks. I'm Vice President of Listings here at Nasdaq, and it's truly my great pleasure to welcome CRYOPDP and Chief Financial Officer Robert Stefanovich. Please join me in welcoming Robert for his remarks.
Good morning, and thank you, David, for the warm welcome. Thank you for the Nasdaq team for allowing us to actually spend time here and celebrating kind of our next milestone.